Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can delete boards permanently from your monday.com workspace. So let us get started and guide you through this. Head over to monday.com, log into your account and select your workspace here on the left panel. So let me go with this one for the sake of this tutorial. After that, you will see a list of all associated boards in that workspace. So let me go with this one here and delete it for demonstration purposes. To do that, click into these three dots here in the top right corner of your board overview and select delete board. After that, the given board will be deleted. So you may undo this, for instance. So let me do that really quickly. There you go, it has been restored. However guys, if you'd like to delete it permanently, you will need to head over to the trash folder first and delete it from there manually to get rid of it permanently and for good. Because moving an item like a board, for example, or a task doesn't delete it permanently, but only move it to the trash folder, and it will be stored there for 30 days before it gets deleted automatically by monday.com. So within these 30 days, you will have the opportunity, let me just head over to the trash folder, to restore the deleted item or to get rid of it now manually. So what you want to do is simply go through that trash folder here and click on the item here to the left you would like to either restore or delete permanently. So let me delete that board permanently by clicking on that button here, and confirm by clicking on this button. Now I don't want to delete it because I will need that board for demonstration purposes, so I'm going to click on cancel. But that's how it works, guys. That's how it works in practice. That's how you delete boards permanently from your monday.com workspace. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.